Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Lucas and today I'm going to share with you some summer pickups that I've made over the past 2, 3, 4 months, however long. I don't remember the last time I did a pickups video, but I feel like it's been a while. I've also been selling quite a few things lately and I'm going to upload another round on my Grailed account, so I'll link it in the description. If you're interested in anything, go check it out. Subscribe if you're new, leave a thumbs up, and sit back, relax. I feel like it's going to be a long one. And let's just get right into it. First off, I'm going to start with the footwear. First pair of shoes that I grabbed was fairly recent, and they are the Supreme and Clark's Wallabies. Now obviously I got the all black pair. They have like this Western kind of cowboy boot style details all throughout. Got the Clark's and Supreme on the insole. Supreme tag here. I'm probably going to end up taking this off, but haven't just yet. But these are really soft, really good materials. They sat for like about a week and a half. I'm not too sure if they're still available. They might be. I wouldn't be surprised if they are still, but I love these. Just a good pair of all black Clark's Wallabies, which for me are a great summer shoe, great alternative to like a sneaker or something. These are amazing and I love them. Next up is going to be a pair of Norse Projects shoes here. These are from their Arcteryx collection, if I'm pronouncing that correct, but basically a trail runner hiking kind of shoe. We got the nice little lace locking system here, similar to Salomon, lace garage, Vibram on the outsole, which is very nice. And these, as you can tell, are the gray kind of silver colorway. I believe they come in black as well. I opted for the silver colorway. These are in a size 41. They're a bit snug, but I can make it work. Very similar to the Salomon, but definitely a great alternative if you want something like a hiking shoe like this. Don't want to get the Salomons. Yeah, these are very nice. Huge thank you to Norse Projects for sending them over. Big fan. I can't wait to bust them out more in the summer. I'm sure all of us are aware that Adidas is on a huge heater right now, specifically with the Sambas. And I picked up these dimes. They're the Superstars. My first pair of Superstars, obviously another classic, timeless Adidas silhouette. Like I said, these are the dime collaboration. Got the nice little two-tone stripes here and like this gray and then cream colorway. There's also a black pair that Justine had. Nice little dime branding on the insole. I haven't worn these yet, but I'm very excited to wear them in the summertime. My white Sambas are completely destroyed, so these might take the place of those. Obviously they're a bit more chunky, not as sleek, but still a very beautiful shoe. And again, can't wait to wear them more in the summertime. Another shoe along the line of the Sambas, but not quite a Samba, are the Collegium. These are called the Collegium Pillar Court 2. Obviously you can see where they take the inspo on this from. Very beautiful shoe. Obviously, you know, the material is going to be incredible, as Collegium always does. The super soft leather, very nice suede. The leather insole as well, beautiful. Got these in my size 42 and I've worn them a little bit when they first came in. So again, very thankful to Nick and everybody at Collegium for always blessing me and Justine. Another beautiful pair of shoes that I can't wait to wear. Now the final pair of shoes that I've picked up in the past few months is actually a pair of Adidas Sambas, and these are the Wales Bonner Sambas, the most recent collaboration that they've done. There's also a brown pair, but these are obviously the metallic silver pair, very reminiscent to like the very first pair of Sambas they did, the brown one, with like the mesh lace kind of details on the 3 stripes around the tongue as well, with the overfolding over the flappy soccer tongue or whatever you want to call it. But a very beautiful shoe. I know the release process of these has been very weird. They dropped on Adidas a couple of weeks ago. Randomly, I was lucky enough to get them, and since then they've raffled at a few stores. I have no idea if there's going to be like a general release on the Adidas site or the Wales Bonner site. I would imagine there is. I've heard June 4th. Don't hold me to that because I honestly have no idea. I'm super lucky to have these. Very grateful, and again, hopefully we'll be able to break them out soon. They're obviously very loud, kind of hard to wear, but I feel like in the summer you can get away with just some shorts and a nice basic t-shirt or a little bit of jeans as well. So Wales Bonner Adidas Sambas, very happy to have these. Next I'll run through the tops, like shirts kind of thing. Not very many shirts, but I'll show you what I did get. First up is this soccer jersey from FC Dorsum. If you're unfamiliar with them, they're basically just like this Instagram page. They release soccer jersey merch here and there. They've done an Umbro one a few years ago that I wasn't able to grab, but I grabbed this Nike one. It's on the Nike Vapor Knit jersey, so the quality is very nice. Got their nice logo here, and then we got the colors as well all over the back.
These dropped, I want to say like actually these dropped a long time ago. I think I got it before Christmas actually. I don't think I ever showed it, but beautiful jersey. FC Dorsum also just recently did a collaboration with LAFC in the MLS, so love to see that. Congratulations to them. A couple Stussy pieces that I grabbed. This one I believe was from like 2 or 3 seasons ago even maybe. It's just like this mesh kind of knit long sleeve shirt thing, obviously very see-through. I bought this for Coachella and it did me wonders at night, even when it was cool. Just Stussy mesh knit thing. I think they did t-shirts again for this spring summer season, but might be able to find this available still. I got it for sale, so yeah, love that one. Another Stussy knit top is the knit Polo from their most recent spring summer drop. As you can see here, this is the cream colorway, and I got this in a size medium. It is very cropped, super boxy as well. Also, it's very heavy. It's very thick yarn that they used. So personally, I'll probably just wear like a muscle shirt underneath it, or maybe even nothing at all, but very, very breathable. It's gonna be great for the summertime. The only thing is that it is quite heavy. So if you live in a warmer climate, maybe not the best for the summer, but regardless, it's a beautiful shirt. And they might still be available, not too sure. And the final shirt I grabbed actually in my shopping vlog a few weeks ago is this Adidas Polo, kind of like a waffle knit material, but not really. But just like this nice Adidas Polo. I thought it was clean. It reminded me of the Wills Bonner collaboration stuff, but this is just Adidas. Grabbed it from Simon's for a good price, so I couldn't really pass it up. The cream and the black is a beautiful colorway. Haven't worn it yet, as you can see the tag's still on, but definitely excited to bring this out when it gets further down the line in the summer. Now, moving on to the bottoms, we have a pair of shorts, again from Norse Projects. Thank you very much for the care package. These are their ripstop shorts. Ripstop material, they're very like see-through, but then see the black liner makes them so you can't see through them, but very lightweight, very nice for the summer. I've worn these a ton already. Got the 3M stripes around the thighs, and then it continues onto this back side here. Very nice shorts. Got a back zipper pocket and the 2 front shorts, or the 2 front pockets, sorry. But they fit me nice. They're a little bit baggier, a little longer, which I like, so very happy on these. Obviously, ripstop material, very durable and very strong. Now a couple pants pickups. The first one that I grabbed are these Supreme double knee jeans, I guess is the best way of describing them, but lighter black wash, double knee jeans with the hammer loop and the pockets here with the carpenter vibe that's very in right now. But I didn't have a black pair of jeans, and Supreme pants fit me extremely well. Personally, I love how they fit. I always go for a size 30, which is the smallest they make, and they fit me amazingly. The length always perfect, the width on the legs are always perfect, the waist is always perfect. So Supreme double knee jeans, whatever you want to call them. Not sure if they're still available, but love these. Another pair of jeans from one of my favorite up and coming brands, Fugazi, are these, like, they look from afar, they look like paint splatter, but then you get up close and you can see it's all these chain stitched details. Just an incredibly beautiful pair of jeans. Again, I got these, I think, I live in a size small, which is about a 30 waist. Again, the Fugazi pants fit me very well as well. And they've got the chain stitching details all throughout. And Trevor also did a pair with a darker wash, and the paint splatter was in colors like red, yellow, green, blue, etc. Very happy with these. Not really a wash that I'm used to wearing. I don't have a wash quite like this. It took me a little bit of getting used to when I wore them out. I love them. The details, like I said, are incredible. And yeah, I'll be holding on to these for a very, very long time. And the last pair of bottoms are going to be my most recent pickups, which is part of the Arcteryx System MA latest drop. These are the Pulse cargo pants in this kind of red brownish colorway. I forget the exact name of the color. I think it's, yeah, Polaris is the exact name. I'm pretty sure these are sold on the Canadian website. I believe they're available on the American site. Don't hold me to that again, I'm not 100% sure, but I love these pants. I got the black Pulse cargo pants like a couple years ago on their very first System A drop, and I wear them a ton, so I was very excited to grab another pair. Super lightweight, gonna be great for the spring and for the summer even. I wear them climbing all the time. These ones are a little bit different. They have a little bit of a stretchy material here. Obviously, as you can see, the two-tone coloring all throughout. So yeah, very nice pair of pants, and super excited to have these in my collection as well. Another top that I forgot to show, sticking with the Arcteryx System A, this one is their Copal long sleeve shirt. Same color with the Arcteryx hit on the chest, contrast stitching all throughout. Nothing on the back, but my favorite little detail, we have the dead birds on both sleeves. This is a Copal. I don't know if any of you guys have the original Copal t-shirts. They were much lighter. This is much thicker. It's kind of like a fall or winter base layer. I'd probably wear this skiing on like a warmer day, but love this one. Very happy to have it. Wasn't the biggest fan of the t-shirts from this drop, but I love this long sleeve shirt, and I'm pretty sure they flew off the website very fast. Moving into the jackets now, but sticking with the System A collection, I also grabbed the jacket. This is called the Chexa jacket, I believe, in the same colorway. I got this in a medium, I want to say. Yeah, got it in a medium. Fits me beautifully. It's a little bit boxier and cropped. Obviously, as you can tell, it's not like a broken record now, but I love the fit of that. And for me, for all my Arcteryx jackets are mid layers. They're all hoodies. I'm not the biggest fan of a hoodie as a mid layer, so I got the jacket with no hood, but very clean. Got the Velcro thing here, with similar to like the Leaf products as well. This is a hybrid jacket, so this is like the torso area is like an atom material, and then the sleeves are like this stretchy kind of moisture wicking, more breathable material. But I love this jacket. It's gonna be great, not for the summer necessarily, but definitely in this fall and even in the winter. I'll probably bring this like skiing, maybe I'll wear it as a mid layer, but love this jacket again. Very happy to have it. Another Arcteryx jacket that I picked up recently is the Beta jacket. I did have the Beta AR, but I sold it because I wasn't the biggest fan of the collar, the neckline of the Beta AR jacket. I know some people like it, some people don't. Personally, it's not for me. So I went with just the regular Beta jacket. As you can see, it's just got the normal collar or whatever. In this like dark blue colorway. I think it's the Fisher or something. I forget the exact name of it, but it's a little bit dirty. I wore it skiing already in the spring, but nothing to show much here. Vortex shell jacket, very nice. Another jacket that I just had to grab. Not really a summer piece at all, but it was part of Supreme's. I think it was their first, maybe the second or third drop actually of the spring summer season, and it was their varsity jacket. The details are just amazing on this. Obviously you got the Supreme NYC 1994 here. Big Supreme logo here. On the left sleeve, it's got the infinity sign. On the right sleeve, it's got 94. And then my favorite hit on the back, we got that I Love New York, Statue of Liberty. Beautiful jacket. Like I said, definitely not really for the summer. It's very heavy. I wore it earlier in the spring when I first got it. And it's a beautiful jacket, like I said. When I saw the lookbook and the collection preview, this is the one piece that I really wanted to get. Luckily, I was able to grab it. I think it sold out within like a day or two, so very, very happy to have this. And another piece that'll probably stay with me forever. One more shirt that I forgot to share is this Valence. It's called the Valence Field short sleeve shirt. I believe it comes in like a brown and like a white colorway, but it's an incredibly clean piece here with the collar, a couple pockets on the chest, and then like the hidden snap enclosure. Beautiful piece. Obviously Valence, very understated, sleek, clean pieces. Quality. It's gonna be fantastic, and I love this shirt. It's amazing for the summer. And to end off the video, just a few hats that I picked up. First up, we have the Fugazi. This is called the Mark hat. If you know where that comes from, then you know. It's from the Marc Jacobs Louis Vuitton hat. Obviously, the logo, very similar, and beautiful hat. I just had to have this because the logo is just incredible. I love that Louis Vuitton Marc Jacobs hat, and this is great. Next two hats are from Oré. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with them. First up, I got this snapback. I love how this one fits. It fits perfectly on my head. It is incredible. And then shout out to Ray for sending me through this one as well. More of a tech inspired hat. Got the collection details on it and everything. Very cool details on the brim as well. As you can see, it's kind of like separated, and the stitching goes throughout here. Again, a very nice hat. Ray has been killing it with his brand lately, doing an incredible job, doing amazing work. So the two Oré hats and the Fugazi hat for the accessories lately. And that wraps it up for my pickups in the past few months or so. Like I said, if you guys want to check out my Grailed, the link is in the description. I'm gonna be uploading pieces up there periodically and more as we head into the summer as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.